One more question we will discuss on the basis of elimination method. Statement question it is, and very important question. These type of questions generally it has been asked. What it says, 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Sonu and Noori? Now, how will you make the equations? First of all, our purpose is to frame two linear equations in two variables. Now, Noori was twice as old as Sonu. We are not aware what is the age of Sonu. So, let the present age of Sonu be X. Generally, we assume at the last. We start from the last which has been given in the question. Now, Sonu we have assumed as present age X. Now, what will be the Noori age? Noori's present age will be thrice as old as Sonu. It means let the Noori age be Y. One variable we have taken as X, one variable we have taken as Y. Now, my first statement. Noori's age is thrice of age of Sonu. But when? 5 years ago. Now, present age we have taken as X and Y. So, first of all, we will take 5 years ago. What was the age of Noori and Sonu? Let 5 years ago, age of Sonu was X minus 5 obviously. And age of Noori will be Y minus 5. My equation will be Noori's age. Noori's age is X minus 5. X minus 5 will be thrice of age of Sonu. Thrice of age of Sonu means thrice of X minus 5. So, what will be the equation? Equation will be X minus 5 is equal to 3 into X minus 5. Now, what can you do? You can solve it. You can multiply it. You can multiply it and you can solve it. Y minus 5 will be equal to 3x minus 15. 3x minus y. Y can be shifted on the right hand side and 15 can be shifted on the left hand side. So what will you get? 3x minus y will be equal to 10. My first equation is ready. Now, my second equation. For second equation, what it says, my statement says, 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So it means 10 years later, 10 years hence. It means, first of all, I need to check what will be the age of Noori and Sonu after 10 years. As present ages were X and Y. So after 10 years, what will it be? X plus 10, Y plus 10. Now I have to concentrate on my statement. After 10 years, Noori age will be twice as old as Sonu. Noori age was Y plus 10 and Sonu age was X plus 10. Now, Noori age will be twice as old as age of Sonu. So, it means Y plus 10 will be equal to 2, or you can say twice of age of Sonu, that is X plus 10. Now multiply it and solve it. You can multiply it and you can solve it for the equation. So what will I get? By shifting it on the right hand side, 2x minus y, and shifting on the 20 on the left hand side. 10 minus 20, that will be minus 10. So it means my two equations are ready. Now you can use elimination method for solution of x and y. Now what will we do? Just see, my two equations are there. 3x minus y is equal to 10 and 2x minus y is equal to minus 10. Just see, directly also you can solve. We can multiply by 2 and 3 also. Whole equation to 2 and whole equation to 3. But what we had done, we had just eliminated y. Just see, minus y is there, minus y is there. Both are having same value. By changing sign, what will happen? It will be cancelled. So what will I get? 3x minus 2x, that is x. 10 plus 10, that is y. That is 20. 10 plus 10, that is 20. So x is equal to 20. You got one value. Now for value of y, what can you do? You can put your value of x in any of the equation. Either this equation or this equation. Any of the equation if you are going to put, you will get the value of y. Now just see. Put put value of x in equation 1. 3x minus y is equal to 10. 3 into 20. 20y because x value was 20. Minus y is equal to 10. 3 into 20, what will you get? 60 minus y is equal to 10. Now 60, 10 has been shifted on the left hand side and y has been shifted on the right hand side. So what will you get? 50 is equal to y. It means you got x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 50. What was x? X was Sonu age. It means Sonu age is 20 years and Nuri age is 50 years. Present ages, it has been asked how old are Sonu and Nuri. So we have taken their present ages as x and y and we got x is equal to 50, x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 50. Age of Sonu was 20 and age of Nuri is 50. Clear? I hope this is clear to you. Try more questions on the basis of this. Thank you.